So I had in this here for like about a month now, and I have no intentions of taking it out until probably like next month. But if you're considering this kinky girl hair for probably like your next hairstyle, for your baby hairstyle, I'm giving some pros and cons. I feel like because I had it in for like about a month, I could give you some advice. So starting off strong with the pros, right? This hair real nice, it real soft. Listen, you'll be getting like real compliments. People will be in your DMs like, girl, that is your hair. Like, how long you have it in, how much you pay for it, where you get. All kind of compliments, right? You'll get compliments on the streets, compliments when you're going to. Once you install it good, you will get compliments. So I go in this store, and this young lady is like, oh my gosh, hair looks so nice. Like, is that your natural hair? I was like, yeah. I was like, no, girl, it's like a sewing. She was like, seriously, like, where you have it? I said, well, I have in a 2 bundles. I have in a 18-inch and I have in a 20-inch. She was like, seriously, well, how much for it? I was like, girl, well, it's basically 400, 475. She was like, seriously, next with the hairstyle. Since if you had kill the girl, you know. I just try to mind my business because I'm kind of socially awkward. Like I just be like wanted to hide and things. So like if you don't like compliments and you don't like them kind of thing, do not put this here in, right? But anyways, before I leave the store, the girl was like, tell her no, she go because that's yes, I don't care. Like so, like how you do it? It's the thing. She was like, all right, so I will go and I will wait until I get paid, and that's yes, I don't care. 400. I say, well, you know, it's 2 bundles, right? She's like, yeah. I was like 400 for 1 bundle. She's like, okay, all right, no problem. She's like, you mind if I feel it? Usually I will not do that, but I was like, she young, we gonna do discourage you. I was like, oh sure, no problem. She was like, you love it real good. So real compliments. The next thing is when it comes to the cons. Most likely you will get this here in your hair texture, so it's gonna behave just like your hair. So if your hair is high maintenance, most likely you're gonna be kind of high maintenance, right? The best thing to do, I would advise, is a sewing if you're doing the bundles, not the clippings, because you're gonna have a lot of detangling to do, and your clippings would kind of, you know, pull on your hair itself a little too much, right? So you might end up with a little more breakage when you take out that protective style. So better you sewing and done. I'm so glad that I do this sewing, because trust me, I would have take this out long time. I know my hand fast, right? But anyways, so yeah, I had a lot of detangling to do. I leave this thing in for like about a week, and the girl was like, the girl who I buy it from, she was like, you know, let me advise you how to, you know, like ting it. I was like, girl, I know what I'm coming my curls like earlier. I thought that the curls itself would have lost its. I thought that the hair would have lost its curl pattern. That's why I didn't want to comb it out. Only I regret it because this hair ended up knotting up so bad. I had to wash it. I washed it twice since I had it in for the month. But I tell you, it's real nice. But just keep that in mind. So when you put it in, you might want to keep the curl pattern and just put product. No, comb it out. Try to comb it out probably like every 3 days, and maybe twist it. I never twisted. I don't have time for that. But anyways, here guys, it's a real nice hair, kinky curly. I have in a 18-inch and I have in a 20-inch. Well, it probably come down because I would have been clipping out like from, you know, the ends and stuff when I had to detangle it. All it was crazy. But yeah, so I learned my lesson, and that's all I want to say. So if you're getting the, or you're considering getting the kinky curly, get it. But note that you have to treat it like if it's your hair, because it's human hair and great quality. Don't say I didn't tell you.